Alright guys, welcome to another piano lesson. So I'm going to teach you a very short and nice song, okay, by Don Moen, that God will make a way, okay. So we are playing the key of C, okay, key of C. Where there seems to be no way, He walks in ways we cannot see. He will make a way for me. He will be my guide. Hold me closely to His side. With love and strength for His new day. He will make a way. Alright guys, so that's the song is very simple one, okay, simple chord progression, very simple, okay. So okay, God, so it's one and one, okay. So we are C, that's C major, right? 1 and 5, okay, and 6 and 3 and 4 major and 3 minor. I can add 2 and 4. Alright, so that's the chord progression, okay. So God will make, that's one here, where there seems to be no way. Okay, that's 3. He walks in ways, we go back to 3, we cannot see. He for make a way. Okay, He will make a way for me. Alright, 4 and 5, 1 5. Right, 4 and 1 and 5. Okay, now He will be my guide. Hold me closely to His side. 3 major. With love and strength for 3 minor. I can add 2 there. And 4 and 5 and 1. So you get it with 2, 5 and 1. So it's either 2 and 5 and 1 or 4 and 5 and 1. 4 and 5 and 1. God will make I'm doing it slowly. God will make a way. Very simple. And there seems to be no way. Alright, 3. He walks in ways we cannot see. I can add 2. He will make a way for me. Alright. Can either play 4 and 4 and 1 and 5 or 2. Like 2. 2 and 2 and 1 and 5. He will be my God. Hold me closely to His 3 minor. With love and strength 4 and 3 minor. Okay, He will make a way. He will make a way. Right? He will make a way. So the other one that I'll put in, like, to move to the 3, that one was just, okay, that's a passing chord. Faster. go to the 6th. All right. Voila. So that's kind of a passing chord. You could still play this like a passing chord to the 6th, right? Depending on you. Alright guys, so that's all. Do wait to subscribe to my channel. God bless.